bling bling. Bitches is mad.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now.
Hey guys, Natalie here. Today I am bringing you guys a video about nails. As you can see, I love my nails. I get long, extra, crazy, not crazy because these are pretty plain, but I love my nails. I love nails. I've loved nails for the longest. I've been getting nails since middle school. So trust me when I say I'm the girl for this topic. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put crystals, Swarovski crystals, or I don't really know how you say it, but crystals on your nails at home. It's going to be a cheap and expensive way for my budget baddies out here. Sometimes we just don't want to put so much money into our nails, and sometimes we just don't have the time to be spending 4 hours, 3 hours at the nail salon to put crystals on our nails. So I'm going to give you guys an inexpensive way to bougie your life up and put some crystals on your nails at home. Okay, the first thing you want to get is real Swarovski crystals. You guys are set on doing your nails and your crystals at home, but you're getting the wrong crystals. Stop buying the pack from Amazon. Those crystals are dull, and once you get glue on them, it's over with. They just look ashy as hell. Stop getting those. Get real Swarovski crystals. I ordered from Sky Beads. Sky Beads is a great cheap alternative to getting your crystals. I know you want to pay $10 for like 1,000 crystals, but those crystals are usually low quality and they just aren't the best. So I recommend Sky Beads. I know there is also other nail sites who have the same price range, like Daily Charm. I think that's what it's called, Daily Charm Me. They have some crystals that I was looking at, but I truly like Sky Beads. Only $4.50 for a pack of like 700. Of course, you have to choose. Me editing here, so I know I said $4.50 for 100 or 700, and I corrected it by saying 100 on the screen. But I just want to say it so if anybody's not paying attention to their phone. But on Sky Beads, it's $4.50 for a 100 pack. It's not $4.50 for 700. That's kind of crazy. And I'm putting the screen right here for you guys to see everything they have. They have a plethora of gems, different colors. I didn't specify that in the video, but just to let you guys know, they have so much colors. I personally, like I say in the video, you're gonna see I get crystal AB. That's just what I like. That's always what I get. Like, and I don't feel like I really showed you, but this is usually what they turn out to look like. I have pink flatbacks, I have red flatbacks, I have so much. So if you aren't, you know, you don't want to be like have the basic, you know, crystal AB, and you could do so many other colors. Like, they have so much, so go crazy. And all the flatbacks are $4.50, I believe. So yeah, and they have different shapes. They also have the ones that aren't flatbacks. Sky Beads has so much. I should really be like a spokesperson, but it's a great site. From Sky Beads, and you order, I want to say 2 or 3 more packs. I know if you just order 1 pack, you're not gonna get a free gift, but if you order 2 or 3 packs, you will get a free pack that comes with your order. So like you'll get, I ordered what, like 2 SS7s and 2 SS6. I'll probably get some pink flatback stones in a SS7, 100 pieces for free. It goes from like SS4 to SS20. Like, those are how, that's how it's numbered. The smaller the number, the smaller the gem. So always take that into consideration. You really want to be shooting for like for reasonable gems on your hands that you can work with when you are a beginner is SS7, SS8, SS6, around there. Once you start getting to SS10, it kind of starts getting a little bigger, and that's if you want to like bling out your whole nail. And when you get smaller, that's like SS3, SS4 is for very much detailed like work. The thing you want to get is the Mia Secret Nail Gel Resin Activator, and then the glue for it. I love this set. This works perfect. This is the only glue I used, and it's worked so well. I actually just reordered this. I'm all out of the activator, but I truly suggest it, and I'm going to show you why when I do the demonstration, or tell you why. And then you want to get the Hurry Up Nail Glue Dryer. This is the one that usually nail salons use. I don't really know if you can see it. You'll see it like it sprays out like that, and you literally just need what, like 2 of those on your nails and a heart. Another tool that you will need is a gem picker. Mine came in this little case. These run you about $9.99 on Amazon. Most of these products you can get on Amazon, so that's a good thing. So you just want to get something like this. This is a cute one. You can also get kind of like a wax pencil. Same thing. I kind of like these because of this thing right here. This is what I use to dot the nail glue on my finger with that particular method. So that's why I like these. That's basically it. You can also use the LED light. This is not needed, but if you want to use it, like I have it, just a little one to really make sure it's on, then you can definitely do that. In no way am I a nail tech and I know the most about nails, but this is just my little tips to you guys so you could do them at home and do them on your own. So let's get started with the demonstration. Okay, so first I always start by trying to find some inspiration on what I want to do. I go on Pinterest and in my phone just to see what I want to do, how I'm going to position the nails, because one thing professionals beat you at is the placement. So you want to make sure that you are just not putting any type of putting any type of rhinestones in any place. When you first do it, you want to make sure that you're looking at ideas, and then you can go on to freestyling your own designs. Alright, first thing I like to do starting off is place the glue into the tin so that I could use my gem picker the other side to place the glue directly onto my nails. I don't like putting the brush on my nails directly because I feel like it just makes a big mess. That is my case of all my gems that I will be putting on my nails. Now I'm just putting my gems on the table. Ooh, my hair is right there. Just for you guys to see how I pick it up. Like I said, this is super easy. Once you see this video, you're not gonna need it again. It's super easy. My tip for the glue is just to don't put the brush directly on your nail. Dot it on your nail. You could even use a toothpick because you don't want too much glue on your nail. It'll just look kind of sloppy and messy. Alright, so now like I said, I take my nail picker and I take the glue and I paste the glue on my nails. Just take a little of that generously and just apply it to the area where I want the gem to be. And now I'm just gonna pick out the gem, just take it with my nail picker, my gem picker, and I just will place it on my nail. Sometimes you don't get it right where you want it to be, like right on the bullseye. You just have to move it around a little bit and then it's perfect. It doesn't dry instantly, but it does dry fast. So now I'm gonna take my nail tool again with the glue and I'm gonna place it around that diamond right there, and you're gonna see the design I'm gonna do. I'm literally just going to just be picking it up and picking the gems up and placing it around the big gem. That is the look that I created. And now I'm going to place the biggest gem of them all. Not of them all, but the biggest gem that I'll be placing on my finger. I'm just gonna, that opal right there. I don't know what shape that is, but I don't know. But with that one, I do brush on the glue just a little bit, just so it has more area to stick on. And like I said, Like sometimes you don't always get the gems in the right spot, and you will need to maneuver them a little bit, you know? So that's just what I do. I'll kind of move it around. This one kind of is a little crooked, but it's okay. Like, the more practice you have at this, mind you, I haven't done this in a while, so I'm not as good as how I used to be when I always was doing it. But the more practice you do, the straighter it will be, and the better it will look. And so now I'm just gonna let you guys see the design I do, and you can even follow this design. Like I said, I'm telling you, it's so easy. It does not take rocket science or brain science to know how to do it. It's so easy. Before you know it, you will be doing this on every finger. When you first start out, you probably won't do this design, but that's fine. I feel like you can, like if you want to take that risk, you can. And now I'm just gonna let you guys see what I do. Is the finished product of the nail. Now we're just gonna go on to doing something a little bit simple for my beginners. If you just want to do along the cuticle area, you most definitely can. I just put, like I said, just take the glue, place it there with my picker, and now I will just be placing my gems on my nail. This is a really fun nail that you could do when you're a beginner. Super easy. So I'm just gonna let you guys see this one, speed it up a bit, and just have you watch it. This one is the best one for when you don't want to do the extra work of blinging out your nail, but you want your nail to be covered in diamonds. This is a good way to kind of finesse that. I did simple designs on my pinky and my thumb off camera, but this is it. Taking my nail glue dryer and my nail gel resin activator. I don't have any activator in the bottle right now, but I'm telling you guys, if you want your nails to stay on really well, use that as well. Along with the hurry up nail dryer that I'm using right now. And once you put those two on your nails are set. Alright, so I just wanted to come on here and say, even though I have all three, the nail glue dryer, the hurry up nail glue dryer, the nail activator from Mia's Secret, and the LED light, you only need one. This video is about saving that coin, and even if it wasn't, you literally only need one. I've had to deal with only using one of them, and it lasts just as long as using all three of them. I would recommend, if you need to get one, get the Mia's Secret one, because that one comes with the glue, so you're getting both of them together. It's a steal. So get that one if you are gonna just get one. This is the final product of my nails. Super cute, super nice. Tell you guys, this is so easy. You have to do it. If you like the gems and you like the bling on your fingers, do it. It is so nice and pretty.
Bling, bling, bling. Bitches is mad.
Like I said, with practice, you will be doing your nails so nice. Like, just follow the tips I gave you with the real Swarovski crystals and not brushing like too much. If you are gonna brush it on your whole nail, do a nice thin layer, then put your pieces on. It'll go by really faster if you do that. I just don't tend to do that way. Say you have 3 sets where you want your nails to be done. You're gonna be spending over $70–$60. So that's why this is a really good investment for when you want to continuously bling out your nails, or even on occasion, so you just don't have to go back and spend money on crystals at the nail salon that you could put on at home. Extra every time you go to the nail salon, you could just pay $70, $60 for the whole thing. So that is when I say it is a budget. It's like a saving. It's when you want to be bougie, but you also want to save some money, honey. I don't know the exact price of this whole thing, but it's so you save money ultimately. I would say these rhinestones stay on for about two weeks. You know, 2 weeks. Some of them last longer, but if you're someone who's really active with your hands, you're always hitting stuff, they are gonna last a little shorter. But I would say the minimum is 2 weeks they stay on. Another thing, a lot of us, we spend the money on these rhinestones and they come off in 3 days or 2 days, and it's like, girl, like, what am I paying for this for? It's gonna come off. So that's why I'm saying this is such a great way to save that money. Like, this is like, you have to do this. This is an opportunity. Like, girl, save your money on your nails. What are you talking about? Like, do it. It's so amazing. And it's super easy. You think all the time, I think like, oh my gosh, it's gonna take so long, but it really doesn't. It's super fast, super easy. It's fun. Be creative with it. Do different things. Look on Pinterest, get ideas. Do it in that way. Like, have fun with it. Always like, ooh, like, girl, you spent a little money, a little penny on your nails, but no, girl, I did it home and you could do it too. Look bougie, but budget friendly, honey. All right, but that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys will take these tips and you guys will do them and incorporate them into your nail routine and how you put your crystals on your nails. I plan on making so much more videos where I'm showing you guys how to be budget friendly on the things that they love, that you need, give y'all advice. Truly, this will be a channel where I'm helping the girls out, period, because we all want to save a little bit and we all want to have nice things, smell nice, do nice stuff. So I'm going to give you guys so much more tips and tricks on how to get by living the bougie baddie life, bougie baddie budget life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for more videos.
On my own now, I am in control now.